They put ice in this thing. And I'm still not sucking in any caramel. Is it caramel on here or what they put on here? It's just... Oh, crap! Well... No.
Why?
Now it's tasting like diluted coffee grounds. I don't even think Popeyed like this. This is worse than spinach. And it looks good. No. We may have this back. Oh, crap. Oh, gummy, gummy crap. Gummy. I'll have my iced tea. Oh. You still took a swig of that crap?
Mm-hmm.
It's not even thick.
Say bye.
Hi.
I said bye.
Turn it off. Turn it off. Come on, kids. What the heck?
What?
Like something was biting my lip. The one doing that was me. There's a bug over there. Okay. Are we done now? I'm done.